Hi guys, welcome to this little test video where I'm going to be testing the new product showcase mode on the Pocket 3. Now notice straight away that when I actually switch currently to continuous mode, if I bring the product close, it does actually focus quite well on it, but if I actually move it slightly to the side, you can probably see it shifting the focus between the product and my face as I move across, so that looks a bit strange. If I now change across to product showcase mode, which you can do by swiping across to the right hand side, going to the focus mode at the bottom and then changing to product showcase mode. If I now bring the product close, you can see that it focuses perfectly fine on the product, and if I actually move it away to the side of me, notice that the actual Pocket 3 is not actually changing its focus, it's actually sticking on the product, so it doesn't actually have that sort of refocus effect which we had before. So that's a pretty nice feature of the Pocket 3 using the new product showcase mode.